Hey everybody. Uh, Another quick update. Shop's getting there. Got all the trusses up, all the finished putting the girts up, got the purlins on, and looks like hopefully tomorrow start to put the metal on the roof, get the roof on. And brought the last load down from the old place, so I'm done moving. Finally got done moving. Now all I gotta do is get this shop built, put together, and get the shop organized. So that's about it for now, just a little short one. I'll bring you back. Hopefully I'll get some decent videos of getting the rest of this shop put together. A little more when we get the inside going and all the extras I'm going to put on this. So until then, take care everybody, and don't forget, don't ever run out of projects.